All right, Mashaba. You have proven yourself ready for a call out.
I'm
not done. O sale mapimpana. So re tla go sepetša lo mongwe wa rena wa matho a dibona. O tla go swara ka letsogo.
What are we doing? Jumping a street? Aren't we a little bit too old for that?
Training yana e ya go ya 2 minutes. E tla go bolaiša ka motlakase. And the only way I can make sure is by pairing you.
All right then. What's the job?
Re khumane tip ya gore go na le sekebekwa se se connectela batho to electricity illegally. Wena le George le tshwantse le go tlhola.
Eske ke go le ba re rekisha motlakase mona. Nkompe wa 50 rand.
You when us stupid Sahal. I'm not selling units here. I'm selling the actual electricity. If you want connection, I'm your man.
Hey banna, le no joinile izinyoka. Ha no thomile go gafa.
Oh, you're so naive, Sakhala yona sa batho.
Why o dia ditšhelete tšago? A se mmereko wa Eskom.
I'm doing it for the people. Eskom e goga mouth. We are on a schedule here. Hey, malum, o nyaka mmo.
Hey, ke dile go reka motlakase ke humana se stupid sa izinyoka.
A ke gole matlho a ka. Illegal connections, exposed wires, beside being illegal. This is an electrical disaster waiting to happen.
Don't worry. We are protected by the Holy Spirit. Hey, you're gonna have to pay some hefty fines,
and possibly some prison time.
Prison? Benzo, run.
Hey, package of the ambulance.
No, let's get them out of this dangerous area. Pay like a promistic. Is just around the corner.
I told this Noko not to mess with electricity when he came here to try and sell me a bucket of transformer oil.
Transformer oil? Are you stealing that for the people too? I was just trying to help.
That's rubbish.
Hey, of course, my basic package is only 4,000 bucks. Unless you want the golden package. 4,000! Tell me, Gamuna. Even listen, better only. How? What do you think this is? I'm not running a charity house here. I have a degree in lawyering engineering. Hey, I'm sure Dr. Pussy. How should get it tongue now? It's Dr. Pussy to you, thank you very much.
Get me out of this mess.
Brother, there is no miracle that will get you out of this. Why not the illegal connections almost cost us our lives?
Nice. Before. They are on their way.
My man, I can help you, but it will cost you an arm and a leg.
I will give you anything.
Okay. Put your arm on the bed.
I go.